In this video, I'm sharing how I make a beautiful classic basket weave cake with buttercream mums, so stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, please take a moment to subscribe to Wedding Cakes for You and click the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. This is my strawberry cake recipe, which I make with crushed organic freeze-dried strawberries and strawberry milk. I'll put a link to that video for you. The filling is my English lemon curd recipe, and it goes beautifully with the strawberry flavor. I'll also put a link to that recipe. Pipe a dam around each cake layer to ensure the filling stays in place. I piped a ring of buttercream in the center as well to help keep the layers together, but that's optional. Once you have your layers together, crumb coat them with lemon curd for extra lemon flavor, or you can do buttercream. Refrigerate or freeze at this point. Next, coat your cake with buttercream enough to cover. If you're planning on basket weaving, cover it well enough to hide the cake underneath. I'm not concerned about the top edge because that will be covered with leaves, borders, and flowers. I have a full tutorial on the basket weaving, and I'll link to that for you as well. I prefer a star tip or sometimes a round tip for basket weaving. This bag is filled with moss green mixed with a touch of leaf green and then striped with white. The tip is in number 125. I have a really detailed tutorial on making these types of leaves. I will put that link in the video description below. The leaves are sort of random, which creates a wreath effect. Use a tip number 81 to create the mums and start with a mound of icing. I will link to my super detailed mum video so you can hear all the directions. These go into the freezer for at least 10 minutes. To make a plaque, simply roll out fondant that has been mixed with a little Tylose powder. Cut it and let it dry overnight. I used Wilton food writers and then decorated the edges with buttercream and a tiny rose. Pipe some buttercream to attach the frozen flowers to the cake. I felt I needed more leaves, so I made some on wax paper and froze them. That way you can place them easily around. I love this little plaque. I think it's so cute. I hope you enjoyed this basket of buttercream mums cake video. Check out all the links below and at the end of the video. You can go to my website to learn more about Wedding Cakes with Lorelie step by step and to get a free download if you join my e-zine. Thanks for watching and see you next week.